Foxes belong to the family Canidae, which also includes wolves, dogs, and jackals. Their evolutionary origins trace back millions of years to small, dog-like carnivores that lived during the Miocene epoch. Over time, these early ancestors adapted to different environments, eventually giving rise to modern fox species found across the world today. The true foxes are believed to have originated in Eurasia, particularly in regions that now include parts of Europe and Asia. From there, they gradually spread into North America via ancient land bridges and later diversified into various species suited to different climates and terrains. Other fox-like animals, such as the gray fox and bat-eared fox, evolved separately but share similar traits due to convergent evolution. This means that while they are not all closely related, they developed fox-like features because they adapted to similar ecological roles in their environments. Fox families are highly adaptable and occupy a wide range of habitats across the globe. They can be found in forests, grasslands, deserts, mountains, and even Arctic tundra. This adaptability is one of the main reasons foxes are so widespread. Some species, like desert foxes, thrive in hot, dry environments where they have developed ways to conserve water and regulate body temperature. Others, such as Arctic foxes, are specially adapted to survive in freezing conditions with snow-covered landscapes for most of the year. In modern times, many fox species have successfully adapted to human-altered environments. They are commonly found in farmland, suburbs, and even cities, where they make use of available shelter and food sources while avoiding direct human contact. Foxes display a wide variety of coat colors depending on their species and habitat. Common colors include red, gray, silver, white, and sandy tones. These colors often help them blend into their surroundings for protection and hunting. Seasonal color changes occur in some species. For example, foxes living in cold regions may develop thicker, lighter-colored coats in winter and darker coats in summer. This provides camouflage in snowy conditions and better concealment when the snow melts. Some foxes also show striking markings such as black legs, white-tipped tails, or facial patterns. These markings can play a role in communication between individuals, helping them recognize one another or signal mood and intent. Foxes generally have slender, lightweight bodies that are built for agility and stealth. Their narrow chests and long legs allow them to move quietly and efficiently through different terrains, whether stalking prey or escaping danger. One of their most distinctive features is their bushy tail, often called a brush. This tail helps with balance while running and turning, and it can also be used as a blanket to keep warm when resting in cold weather. Their pointed ears and sharp muzzles are well adapted for detecting sounds and scents. These physical features give foxes excellent sensory abilities, which are essential for survival in the wild. Fox species vary greatly in size, but most are relatively small compared to other members of the dog family. Smaller foxes can weigh just over 1 kilogram, while larger species may reach around 10 kilograms or more. Foxes typically range from about 30 centimeters to 90 centimeters, not including their tails. Their tails can add an additional 25 to 55 centimeters, making them appear larger than they actually are. Differences in size are often linked to their environment. Foxes in colder climates tend to be larger with thicker bodies, while those in hotter regions are smaller and leaner to help regulate body heat. Fox families are generally flexible in their social structure. Many species are primarily solitary, meaning they hunt and spend most of their time alone, except during certain periods. Some foxes form small family groups, especially during the breeding season. These groups may include a mating pair and their offspring, and occasionally additional helpers that assist in raising the young. Foxes are known for their wide range of vocalizations. These include barks, screams, yelps, and howls, each serving a different purpose in communication. Some of their calls are used to warn others of danger or to defend territory. These sounds can be sharp and loud, especially when foxes are trying to scare off intruders. Other vocalizations are softer and used for communication within family groups. These may include gentle calls between parents and their young or signals used during social interactions. Foxes are fast and agile runners, capable of reaching speeds of up to about 50 km per hour, depending on the species. Their speed helps them catch prey and escape from predators. They are also excellent at quick direction changes, which allows them to navigate through dense vegetation or uneven terrain. This agility makes them difficult to catch. Foxes are known for their pouncing ability. They can leap high and land precisely, a skill that is especially useful when hunting small animals hidden under snow or grass. Foxes are widely regarded as highly intelligent animals. They show strong problem-solving abilities, especially when it comes to finding food or navigating obstacles. They are also very observant and cautious, often studying their surroundings carefully before taking action. This awareness helps them avoid danger and adapt to changing conditions. Foxes use the Earth's magnetic field to help them hunt with accuracy, especially when pouncing on hidden prey. This ability improves their chances of success even when they cannot see their target. Their bushy tails serve multiple purposes beyond balance. Foxes often wrap their tails around themselves like a blanket to keep warm during cold weather. Foxes are also known for their playful behavior. They may engage in activities that appear to be games, which can help them develop skills needed for survival. Foxes are omnivores, meaning they eat both animal and plant matter. Their diet includes small mammals, birds, insects, fruits, and other available food sources depending on the environment. They are skilled hunters that rely on stealth and patience. Foxes often stalk their prey quietly before making a quick and precise pounce to capture it. Foxes usually breed once a year, with mating seasons varying depending on the species and climate. In colder regions, breeding often occurs in winter so that the young are born in spring when conditions are more favorable. In warmer areas, the timing may differ slightly but is still linked to the availability of food. After mating, the female undergoes a gestation period of about 50 to 55 days. During this time, she prepares the den for the arrival of her young. The male may remain nearby and help protect the territory, ensuring that the female is safe during this vulnerable period. Litter sizes can vary, but foxes typically give birth to between 3 and 6 cubs. The young are born blind, deaf, and completely dependent on their mother. The breeding pattern is well-timed so that the cubs grow stronger during seasons when food is more abundant. Caring for the cubs is a shared responsibility in many fox species. The mother stays in the den for the first few weeks, providing warmth and nourishment, while the father often brings food back to the den. This teamwork increases the chances of survival for the young. As the cubs grow, they begin to open their eyes and explore the area just outside the den. During this stage, both parents may take turns watching over them and teaching basic survival skills, such as play fighting, which helps develop coordination and strength. Over time, the cubs become more independent and start learning how to hunt and fend for themselves. By the time they are a few months old, they are much more active and capable. Eventually, they leave the family group to establish their own territories, continuing the life cycle of the fox family. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for even more viewing pleasure. Don't forget, like and comment. Feel free to share.